temperature? Do I? Am I sick? Daddy's sick? How do you know? Really? How do you know? Oh, sick. How do you know? Do I have a temperature? I do? I'm sick now? I wasn't sick 5 minutes ago. You just took my temperature.
No, it's gonna.
Take my temperature again.
No.
Make sure. Am I sick?
No.
Oh, you're kissing me? Is it the kiss of death or something?
Your turn.
My turn.
I turn to get your arms.
Okay.
I feel good.
I feel good? Oh, that was quick. Oh, kisses. Thank you.
Oh.
Good girl.
My turn. Your turn is to put on your legs.
Okay. You tell me. Am I okay?
No.
All right. How about Jake?
No, Jake is okay.
Jake is okay.
He's gonna put his tail. He's
Oh,
okay.
be careful. Don't take his temperature there.
He's gonna be there, okay?
Okay.
She's gonna be there, so he's got always.
Yeah, he has always. You have to be careful.
He's sick.
Yeah.
He's very sick because he wants to be sick. Here.
Poor Jake. Jake's okay?
Jake is okay. Oh,
Good girl. You give him kisses.
he's all better.
All better. You're a good little nurse.
Nope. No, go. No, I can do good boy. To be a good boy. You're okay.
Okay. Where are you going?
I'm going to Daddy.
You gonna go take Daddy's temperature again?
Am I still sick?
All sick.
Come make sure.
Okay.
Is that where you go again? Okay.
It's gonna go right here.
Oh, okay. We're waiting?
Waiting for the airplane.
Oh, for the airplane.
The
Then
airplane.
does that mean I might be better? I
So,
might be better? Is it time yet? Oh, you kissed me? Okay.
you're okay.
I'm okay? Thank you.
So she's okay.
Jakey's okay?
You're gonna be okay. So sleeping.
Yeah?
He's so sleepy and all about it.
He misses?
Jake.
Baby in there. Take and put for up and the baby in there. Come in up.
Good job. Wow. Yay.
I found my
Pumpkin pie. Hey, Ava. Do your 2, 4, 6, 8.
Introducing free layaway payments. It's a great time.
Yay.
all day.
Ava? Ava, look.
So much.
Ava, cheer for us. Let's hear it. 2, 4, 6, 8.
2, 4, 6, 8.
Do it again.
You're falling apart. What's going on?
You did it much better before.
What are you doing?
2, 4, 6, 8. Who will appreciate Ava? Yes.
Why is she looking at the floor for?
I don't know, but you're in front of the
Hey,
television.
Ava.
Hey,
Look at mommy and do it.
Ava. Ava.
2, 4,
Look over here. Do it. 2, 4.
6, 8. Who will appreciate Ava? Yay.
Okay, that's better. You're crazy. Oh. You are crazy. That was
Ava.
Bunga Pie! Hi, bud. Hi, bud. Oh, dear Lord. Oh, my Lord. He's on the couch. Oh, God. Is his face in there?
Nose.
God.
Ava, what did we go do tonight?
I'm doing the candy.
Yeah, what did you say when you were out there at people's houses?
People houses are their costumes.
Yeah, but what did you say?
There's a
When you went ring ding dong, what did you say? Did you say trick or treat?
trick or treaters, the noise.
Or did you say trick or treat tower?
It said, please.
Well, you did say please. That's true. And then after they gave you the candy, you said what?
Thank you.
Yeah, good job, girly. Look at you in your purple bucket, pumpkin bucket. And some of your stash, a little bit that you want now. Oh, and a whole bunch more. We're going to have a ration this so we don't have a sick girl. You got quite a bit.
How about getting dumped?
You gonna dump? Alright, you wanna see what we have? Let's see. Dump. Ready? Pick it up. Oh, wow. Did you see her? Did you see all that? Look at that stash.
Look at this.
That's a lot of candy. Look at all that candy you got. So what are we gonna eat? We can only have a little bit right now.
So we can eat.
So what are we gonna eat? Which one do you want?
This one.
You want this one? Alright, we gotta put this away. So you gotta put this back. Put all this back. Put all this back and I'll give you this one. Put it back.
Put them away. Some more candies, put them away so we can get
Yeah, putting them away.
We're putting them away. We're gonna put them away.
Okay. You ready to have this?
Mhm.
Oh, hold on.
This one.
Yeah, this one.
I'm gonna open it.
Hold on, I want to see how you do with it.
Put
Okay.
it in on my hand.
Make sure you chew it. Chew it. Chew it. It's hard, see? Mmm. Chew it. Want a yellow one?
Mhm.
Mm-hmm. She seems to like that. Only take one. Wait, one at a time. I want you to take the orange one. Just take one. Wait. Take a red one, Ava. The red one. The red one. Good job. Wait. You're going to share. Take your time. Eat it slow. Savor it. It's good, huh? Green one. Take a green one. What color is that one?
Brown.
Brown. Do you want it? Go ahead. I'll go.
How about more?
How about more? You're asking for it. Get out of there. You're funny.
And more candies.
More candy? Why do you want more candy?
More.
Why?
Because I want more of them.
But you're still chewing that candy. What do you say for more?
Thank you.
What do you say first? What do you say before thank you?
Please.
Uh-huh. Ava, who are those guys?
Those are doing on.
Who's that?
I don't know.
Right here. Who is that?
Steven.
Which one?
This one's Steven.
Yeah, what's the one behind it?
Behind this one guy. This one.
I'm late. You did it so much better just a second ago.
I know. That figures.
That's right.
Ava.
Those are frogs.
Look. Who's that?
Those sharks.
Who is that?
Those sharks.
What's the other book?
Steven.
What do they do?
Steven. Steven.
Yeah?
USA! USA!
No, it says Steven. Bonk.
Yeah.
And take it out.
You take it out. You gonna read it?
Yeah, I'm gonna read it to me.
You gonna read it to you?
Oh, Steven.
Yeah, Stevens. Ugh. And what do you think about that? Is it intriguing?
Yeah, it's reading.
Yeah?
Sorry.
What do you see?
I see the number. I see them.
What do you see, Ava?
I see the numbers. He sees. Oh, gone.
That was a quick read.
I'm gonna read John's story first.
Yeah?
I can read John's story. I'm going to read John's story.
Okay.
I'm gonna read
You want to put away Stephen Colbert and read Jon Stewart?
You're
John's
a very
story.
smart girl.
I want to read John's story too.
Bad for 2 years, 5 months.
You're a big fan of theirs, aren't you?
This is Steven. This is Steven.
No, that other one was Stephen. Who's this? Keep going.
It's got birds. Where'd that come? Don't want to read John's story.
Yeah?
That's not a good one to say.
Mimi, did you want the Don Dice TV?
We already talked to Mimi. We'll try Grandpa tomorrow.
She just learned how to flip pages with her thumb. Pretty impressive, kid.
No, it's a mass page. No, it's a mass page.
I did. It sounds so funny when her little voice comes through here.
Mommy.
What? Ava.
Hold on. I will.
What?
I can't see him.
What?
I can hear.
Oh, it's Daddy's turn.
Okay.
Oh, careful.
That's wrong light. What are you doing, bonking the camera?
Oh, look at. Turn that around.
I can't turn it around, then I'll be filming me.
Turn that around.
Oh, we'll be able to see your pretty face.
Up.
Turn it around.
Up.
Up, up, up.
Up.
Ava, what was that? Up, please. That's pretty irresistible, kiddo. Hold on. What hand? How am
Ava, say oh toodles in your microphone.
I going to pick you up? Both my hands are full. How do I do it? How should I do it?
I don't know a bit.
Careful. I don't want you falling backwards.